So this is Capstone Video Journal 5. This week we got to go up to the Transportation Center and film, and this week Chocolate Myers was there. We got the chance to, when we got there, he was talking to some of the students, so we got some good footage of him talking to them, giving them advice, and just kind of, I guess, bonding with them, because these are the students that's working on this car that he handpicked. So I guess he kind of wanted to size them up, see what they're made of. Maybe, I don't know. But he was just giving some words of wisdom, And then we got a chance to interview him. Interview went well. Got a lot of good information out of him. He was very nice, met his wife, and everybody was real nice. And I asked him if, there was a chance that we could go up to the museum and shoot and get some film. He said that'd be fine. Just, go through Chip Lane to set everything up. So I'm hopeful that we'll be able to get up there and get some good shots. But it was a good week, productive week. We got a lot of good footage with Chocolate and a lot of information about him and some information about his family and everything. So it's a good week. We'll see what happens next week. But for right now, we're good.